In today's video, I'll tell you what bundle pricing is, how to integrate it into your pricing models, and how it's going to make you more money at your next craft fair. My name is John, I'm with How To Craft Fair, and this channel is 100% dedicated to craft fair tips and tricks. So if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So there are two different ways to utilize bundle pricing at your booth. The first is to offer a discount on multiple purchases during one transaction. So for example, if you normally sell one candle for $15, you can offer the sale of two candles for $25. This savings of $5 is obviously a win for the customer, but it can also be a win-win situation with yourself included, as long as you remember to price your items in a way that leaves you your desired profit after a bundle sale. So what I would recommend doing in this situation is, instead of pricing your items with one sale in mind without the bundle pricing, just assume that everybody is going to take advantage of that discount, and then that is where you need to start basing your profits off of, is the bundle pricing discount. Whenever somebody buys just a single item and they don't go with the bundle, that's kind of just icing on the cake, because you're going to get a little bit more of a profit margin there since it's not a bundle. So now the second kind of bundle pricing is where you can offer a freebie item when a customer purchases a higher priced, highest ticket item at your booth. So let's say, for example, a painter has large 16 by 20 canvases at their booth that would normally cost $100 by itself. You can offer up a freebie canvas, say something that's like 4 by 4, that would normally have a value of $15 as the freebie item when the customer pays $100 to buy the high ticket item. This is a great way to make the customer feel like they're getting great value at your booth, even on your highest ticket items. Now, if you don't already have some kind of a line of entry level items or inexpensive items, this is one of the many reasons why you should. You want to cover all price levels, even just for single transaction customers, let alone utilizing your entry level items to do a bundle like this. So definitely you want to have those entry level items at your booth as well. The great thing about this particular bundle is that with one customer, you are simultaneously putting a spotlight on your highest ticket items and your lowest entry level items. So you're pretty much covering the entire spectrum with one customer. When normally, you're just kind of hoping for one customer to purchase one kind of item and look for one thing at your booth that they can buy. So this is a really, really great way to pretty much have the entire spectrum of your booth covered with, potentially each individual customer that comes up. As with the previous bundle, the same rule applies, where when you try to figure out your pricing with this bundle with the freebie setup, you need to have it figured out ahead of time what your profit margin is going to be, and you want to assume that everybody is going to take advantage of this bundle, okay? So same thing, if they buy a single item, great, you're getting even more profit. But you want to definitely assume that everybody's going to take advantage of the bundle so that you don't cut yourselves short and just literally break even on your items even after you make a sale. So let me know if you use bundles and how it works for you, and if you haven't, let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching.